Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be my review on this beauty right here. This is the Colourpop Mar palette and it looks like this. If you like my video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So this is the Colourpop Mar eyeshadow palette. It comes in a sleeve like this, and the actual palette is
really pretty.
So Mar means sea in Spanish, so therefore we have these beautiful blues and this green, and we have these neutral ones also. So this palette retails for $12, which is 840 rupees, and approximately I got it for 1650 rupees, which is a little bit on the pricier side, but I get it. We have customs and everything, so it's kind of okay. I got it from an Insta store that is Foreign Makeup India. I'll link that store in the description box below. So coming back to the palette, there is 9 grams of product, that is 1 grams in each pan. It has 3 mattes, 2 satins and
4 metallic colors.
I like the fact that it has this dark brown to deepen up any eye look. I don't know how this palette will perform, so let's swatch it first and then I'll do an eye look using this palette. So the first color is El Rey. It is kind of duochrome. I don't know whether or not you can see. It is like golden and a little bit peachy. The next is the Wild one. Ooh, smooth. This is so beautiful. Okay, Detour. Okay, nice. This is matte and this is not chalky, so that's. This is Boozy. Ooh, this is more like pressed glitter. This is Boozy. Next up, everyone's favorite and the center of attraction, Gridlock. Ooh, that is Gridlock. Next up is Sorbet. This is the perfect transition color. Next up is the green color, and its name is HWY. I think it's Hawaii. I don't know, but let's see the color. Okay. It comes top down, the dark brown color, and then there is My Way. It's time to create an eye look using this babe. So I have already done my base, and I have also applied foundation on my eyes. I'll go with Sorbet for my transition color, and let's see how it goes. So it's going on pretty well. I don't want that cat eye kind of effect today, so I'm rounding off the corners. And the best way to do it is don't go here, just blend on the socket of your eye, on the corner of the socket, like here. So many colors to choose. Obviously this blue one is calling my name, so I'll be going with Gridlock as my lid color, and I am taking this flat brush. I sprayed it with some water. Okay, please be good. Let's see how it goes. Goes on beautifully. Can you see? Can you see? It's looking so pretty. I'll take a small blending brush and take the transition shade and blend these two colors together because it's looking blocky. I wish there was one more transition shade in this palette so that we can go from like light to dark. Oh, wait, we can do one thing. We can take this. I'm taking this top down color, which is the dark brown, and I'm going in with circular motions to blend that lid color a little bit because it was looking like blocky. I'll go with this detour, that is the matte blue. I'll be going in with Woozy on my inner corner. This shade right here. So I'll be back with my eyeliner and mascara and the rest of my makeup, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts on this palette. I'm back with my eyeliner and lipstick, and my final thoughts on this palette is that it's really nice palette, and you can create bold looks as well as everyday. We can create bold looks as well as the day-to-day looks with this palette as well, because it has some of the, well, not everyday looks but still kind of neutral looks we can create with this. I would have liked it if this palette had one more transition shade, but that's my personal opinion, so it doesn't matter that much. But I think it's a good investment because solely because of these two colors. See this color, this is so beautiful. So yeah, that's it. That was my review on the Colourpop Mar palette, and I hope you liked my video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.